Today is June 4th, 2025. It is 5:52. The Nintendo Switch 2 releases tomorrow. I am currently sitting at Best Buy. The people in front of me have a Switch 2 case from the hands-on experience, so they're pros. I showed them my hat and we waved at each other, so I think we have some friends. I'm gonna take a nap, so I'll check in later. Okay, we've been sitting in line for like 2 hours.
7:50, that's the time stamp.
The sun is supposed to go down at 8:31.
Yep, so we have like 40 hours until then.
Yeah.
I'm sweating, I'm thirsty. I really want the sun to go down.
Me too. We are set up crazy. Look at Mason. Mason's like in a cave right
Like
now.
my own little cave thing.
Yeah, we are not getting sunned on. Okay, we'll check in later. Hi vlog. It is 11:42. We're almost there.
18 minutes.
Look how close we are to the front.
I remember.
1 minute remains.
You can't see it. You can't see it.
We are all going to be screaming and yelling and crying. What is a Nintendo Switch?
I think it's the one that only poor people buy,
Is that the one that only poor people buy?
and the one that
How much? Wasn't it like
the non-real fans buy.
$100? Right?
I think so.
Am I hearing that right?
I don't know. The ones we buy are obviously 500 because it's better.
It's currently 12:13.
We'll get it. We'll be fine.
Look how close we are. That's the door. Here's our ticket.
We actually waited so long for this.
6 hours.
Dude, that's the first time I've seen that guy smile all night. He's sitting right next to us, just looking pissed
Just
off.
on his phone.
I kept making
constantly
jokes.
scowling.
I kept making jokes at him. He keeps going.
Yeah, hold on.
Let's go! Yay! Okay.
Imagine he just never comes out.
They're out. All right, let's go home, everybody.
Yo, chill out.
I will survive. Come on.
This line, and can I get the next two from this line?
Oh yeah.
Don't worry, we got you. We got you.
Okay, thank you. Really? Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Hi guys.
Are you doing a bundle?
Yeah, the bundle. Just
Let me
the
be right
bundle.
back.
Okay. You getting one?
No. We actually don't get like the benefits of that.
Really?
Remember?
Sure. Have a good night and morning.
Enjoy.
Yay! It's real! Yay! Get in the car, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car. Yes. Alright, look at everybody else. Hey, let's go! Alright, in the car, in the car. Alright, we're going home. I'll meet you at my house. It's real. Alright. Here we are. Unboxing. Here we go. Switched. Wait, why doesn't mine say Mario Kart? Oh, it does.
It does.
I got so
I
scared.
also said Mario Kart.
Okay. Oh, so I opened it upside down. Dude, it looks so nice. It's huge. It's massive. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, it just has
Oh.
everything.
Oh.
actually so cool.
That's awesome.
Mine has nothing.
We should both say watch the campfire.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Watch the campfire.